In our previous lecture, we just completed our t-shirt design, and in this lecture, we will learn how to export this design with transparent background. So without any further delay, let's start it. At first, to export this image with transparent background, from the layer panel, simply select your background layer and uncheck this visibility. And then simply go to File, Export and select Save for Web or select Export As. This time I choose Export As. And then from this format drop-down menu, choose File Format PNG and make sure that you check this transparency option to get the transparent background. And then set your image size and canvas size. For March by Amazon, our preferred width is 4500 pixels and height 5400 pixels. Alright. Now I choose metadata none, and finally I just simply hit on export all. And this time I choose destination folder desktop and type my file name, James T-shirt. And then set my file type PNG and hit on save. So our exporting is now complete, and here it is, our t-shirt design with transparent background. Actually, in this way you can easily export your design with transparent background. Thank you so much for watching.